Hi guys, Ralph here. Have you ever wondered how to get a pile of rubbish like this? Well, stay tuned, I'm going to show you how. Right, this here is one of my 1 terabyte hard drives. And yes, I dismantled it. Wonderful stuff out of these. Get some magnets out of them. You get some amazing machine parts out of these. They're absolutely amazing. I'm sure I could do something with all these. They look very much reminiscent of parts you put on on the front of a phaser, to be honest, on a Star Trek phaser. But they're all part of the motors. But I'm going to dismantle one, so you don't have to. And know that if your hard drive cocks up, just watch this, and this is what you're going to end up with too. Clean slate. So what's better on a hot summer's day than to sit in a garage and dismantle a hard drive? Well, there's not much, to be honest. So I have here a 1/2 gig hard drive, half of what I just had showing you just there in parts. And to start off, I've thrown the bit away that I needed. Hold on a minute, I will go find it and hit myself over the head with the hammer. Hold on. Yeah, that just took me 10 minutes to find autofocus button. Bloody hell, come on. Thank you. No, thank you. There you go. Anyway, really sad. Right, so let's start off with this one. This is a Seagate 500GB Barracuda. Now, pretty much secured in with 1, 2, 3. Yes, I am missing 1 or 2 because I was about to destroy this when I thought, hey, let's go through the usual rigmarole of attempting to recover, and I've tried everything I can so far, and I've just lost all faith. It reads it, but there's massive bad sectors in this. Oh, don't you go away again. There we go. There's bad sectors everywhere in this. Now, if you've got a Barracuda, then look out for, rub all the top parts. You'll see there's a circle there. That's the motor. Ignore that. But on this one, the other one, the 1 terabyte hard drive, which, yes, it's painful to lose that much information. Luckily, it was just an operating system. This one was photo backups. And I am not stupid enough to leave photos unbacked up. So, I found there's a circle on here. There were 3 on the other one. 1, 2, 3. I can't feel any more of hidden screws, and hidden screws is the bane of my life lately. So, all screws out. Now the top won't come off too easily on some of them, but this one it did. There's some adhesive around there, but it's quite warm in here. So top off, it was sealed in with a silicone adhesive. So let's just keep things in order. Now you're left with a hard drive. The internal, the discs. Now this one's got 2 discs. It'll have 4 heads. This is a head here. So there's the one head that will move up and down. 2 neodymium magnets in here. That looks like it's just a dust guard in case something cuts a crop here. So controller, but we're going to take off the controller, but that's too big. This is why I have another one. So I'd like saving parts, because I might use certain parts later. I mean, the hard drive's definitely knackered. It's a physical, it's ballsed. It's not the circuit board. I've tried that, I've cleaned it as much as I can, and it's not this. So please no messages saying, well, you should just change that. I'm not bothered. 1/2 terabyte, 500 gigs is not worth the hassle. So for your entertainment, I'll destroy something. So this part just unscrews. There's no wires on here because it's physical contacts here and here. These control the motor. This is all the data inputs from the board to go out towards the power and the SATA connections. So keeping the insulation on here, you've got the plastic and some foam. Now I destroyed a couple of these a few hours ago, and this foam was absolutely destroyed. You just went across it like that and it was just absolutely horrible. So circuit board, nice circuit board, nice and neat. I had cleaned these contacts. Those contacts are a waste of time, they don't do anything. It's these three here and these across here, and I have cleaned these and there's no problem at all. If it is our resistor that's blown, then I can't see it and I'm not bothered. It's a very, very spare hard drive, so I will be keeping that just in case, because I have had these plastic parts and SATAs go before. So you can take out, unsolder, remove certain bits and continue using, to be honest. So it's good spare parts of that, so that'll be kept. Right, there's nothing much more I can, actually there is on this one. Underneath here is another hidden screw. Hooray for hidden bloody screws. That won't even come out with that one. There we go. Back to the other one. Oh, it's tight. Hidden screws are tight. Now that will hold the head in, I'm guessing. See, I've adapted this screwdriver, so there's a magnet there, magnet there. It's supposed to be a magnetic screwdriver, this, and it really isn't. So, for a magnet, little neodymiums I got off Amazon quite a while ago. But, if you notice, it's not sucking that screw out. There's a lot of parts on the hard drive which aren't magnetic, which you can tell why, because this is obviously storage media, magnetic storage media, so you wouldn't want that. So another two screws here holding the connector which goes to the motherboard. That should push out. There it goes. Not bothered, rip it out, gone. Another screw there holding the bracket for the head, arm. The arm is loose because I unscrewed this screw underneath here. So one there, should be a couple more under there. Nope. Oh. So that comes out. There's your brush there. That is a neodymium magnet part here. So what I'm going to do and keep using them is I'm going to put a screwdriver on top of there, hit it with a hammer to break the glue. Haven't done that properly. Keep still, you bugger. I should have streamed this. This would be funny if streamed. There we go. Just holding a little bit of glue on there, which is still on there. But seeing as I've got this many off of, it just scares me, neodymium, to be honest. See, they break so easily. That's just cracked off there. It's its own power that just, it's destroyed itself. It's in pieces already. So that's no good at all. But I'll be careful on the the next one. Yeah. It's just so strong and ridiculous, but so fragile. They're amazing. They're amazing things, but let's be careful, shall we? Yep. There's another neodymium magnet there as well, which is holding the head in. So screw out, screw out. Now that's the head off. That's the so they've got 4 heads on this, one either side. And they're just a stylus for one side of a record, to be honest. And you've got 4 of them. Which is absolutely fantastic. Amazing. but yeah, completely useless to me. Coil there, probably for the magnet. So let's take this magnet out. Shall I try again? Yeah, come on. I've done a few so far. Why won't these come off? I could probably bend that one easier. So if I can bend the metal behind it to remove the glue. That's easy when you've got. There we go. See, bent, removed in one piece. Thank you. I do love these. Oh, don't need that, don't need that. So, bracket holding in the hard drive, screw on each corner. There's a lot of these I've took to pieces which don't have this, but the older one just had a couple of screws in the middle holding the plate, the discs to the motor. So that's removed. Again, can't use a magnet because they're not metal magnetics, well, steel screws. Come out. Well, there you go. That's one out. So all I'm left with now is the casing and the discs. So what I'm going to do, crack off all 6. See that the ones before, I've had a really cheap one, 2 gigabyte, had 3. So what I'm going to do, I've loosened them all. I'm going to just spin that around till the screw comes off. Spin, spin, spin. There are other ways out there to recover hard drives. This is not one of them. This is just to have fun. Simple as that. I mean, look at the machine. Look at the part there. It's properly machined. It's well, not machined, but it's properly cast. It's almost make 1,000 of these a day. It's ridiculous. And I'm just coming in, just destroying this. Now, I think I've got something underneath here. Well, that could have been deadly. I can't see. Oh, no, that's fine. I don't think this is the same. This is the same as the last one. Yes. This is the bracket that goes between. These are the discs. They're absolutely beautifully made. No tracks, no nothing. It's just completely destroyed by a fingerprint. I mean, you can see there, they're just absolute pure quality. Till I come along. Right, the last part, there's this part on here which had another one. There's this part on here on the other one which looks like it's just a lot of foam, maybe a bit of carbon, and it's just, I don't know, maybe it just brushes things, cleans it as it goes along. But I was hoping to save the motors on this. I have 2 already. And they come out on older ones like this. They're absolutely beautiful pieces of metal. Power it with the 3 contacts in the back. Spinning around, beautiful. But this is the same as the last one, since it's a Seagate. Your metal part comes out. See, there's the QR code there, QR code, but the coil is left in here, so it's absolutely wasted on me. So let's see if I can do that. No. coil stays where it is, probably glued in place, but yeah. So let's count up my tools. Yes, yes, yes. And there you go. The only thing I can keep off this will be that, just for the parts. But there you go. There's a deconstructed hard drive. Hope you enjoyed that. And I will, where are we? Cover it all over. Just use this on top of that. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. I really enjoyed doing that. Can't stop touching. I really can't. There's some really amazing pieces. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.